Hello, Internet. Welcome to Technical Interview Key Point Review. In this episode, we're going to be looking at ArrayList. All right, let's dive right into it. This is a really awesome data structure. I love it. Let's dive right into it. What is an ArrayList? ArrayList is essentially a array. It's essentially an array, but it's a special kind of array. So array, the limitation is the size is set. You can't change it. It's immutable. If you insert 5 things in there, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you insert 5 things in there, you can't insert another one. But that sucks, right? If you don't know how many elements you're gonna have, how long does array have to be to store everything? Say if you estimated a billion entries, turn out you only have 2. All that space is wasted. And if you estimated 100, but turn out you have a billion data point, then you have nowhere to allocate those space. That's where ArrayList came in. ArrayList is essentially a flexible, let's say it's a flexible array. It can increase in size. It's not going to increase one by one. That's stupid. But it's a flexible array. If you put in 5 things already, wow, what just happened there? If you put in 5 things already in this array, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you add another one, at this point, the array list will double its size. It says, okay, you already have 5 things in there, and I don't have enough room. What I can do, I'm not gonna add just one more space. I'm gonna double the size. Why? Because every time I change the size, what I'm actually doing is not stupid. What I'm doing is actually I'm making a new array of the double size, then copy over every entry from the old one. Well, you may wanna say, isn't that inefficient? Because you have to copy over everything. It takes O(n) time, right? No, it happens rarely. Because every time you're doubling, like in this example, you already have 10 slots, and next time you have 20, next time you have 40, next time you have 80. It only happens so rarely, and it's doubling every time. It grows exponentially. So it's not inefficient. It's actually a very good way to be a flexible array. Just a quick note: in Java, the initial size of a array list is 10. It's 10. So when you initialize a array list like this, if you initialize a array list, say we'll just say string array list equals to new array list string, and that's how you initialize it. When you do this, the default size in there is 10, and if you reached 10, it's gonna double to 20, to 40, so on and so forth. That's a quick review of ArrayList. It's pretty awesome. You should be using this quite frequently in your algorithm because it's quite efficient. And be sure to know how it works because the interviewer might ask you this. All right, have a good night. I'll see you next time. Oh, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.